Hi guys, what's up? It's me again, Mang Goryo, and welcome back to my channel. Pasensya na sa aking boses. Woke up like this. Time check, it's already... Ayun po. It's already almost 2 a.m. in the morning. Today is December 19, 2024. And bakit nga ba ako nag-vlog? Siguro nabasa nyo naman sa title, diba? Pupunta kami ngayon sa Baku, Azerbaijan. Excited ako pero a bit sad kasi hindi ko kasama si Manong. May iwan po siya. Ako ready na po. Gayak na po ako. Nandito na po aking maleta. Pero si Manong, ayan po. Bagong gising din. Kasi po si Manong ay magbabakasyon sa Pilipinas. Samantalang ako sa Baku naman. Kasama ko sina Kuya, si Ate Sara, at yung mga pamangkin ko at si Tita Madel. Bagong gising po eh. Ngayon hinintay ko na lang sila. Pipick upin na lang ako dito sa amin. At pupunta kami ng Abu Dhabi Airport. Manong, enjoy Philippines. Manong, bye-bye. See you next year.
See you next year.
Hello guys.
Hey
Dr. Greg is there.
Yeah, hey guys. So we're here now sa airport. And binaba muna kami. Narinig ba ako? Simul kasi yung mahawak eh. Hold ah. So
Okay.
binaba muna kami dito ni Kuya tsaka ni Ate kasi ipapark nila yung car doon somewhere. You're covering it.
I'm not covering it. Sorry guys. Sorry.
That's what I've said. Nandito na nga kami sa airport. Say hi guys.
Hello.
So we're just waiting for Kuya and Ate Sara kasi pinark nila yung car doon sa isang lugar. Tapos ayun, mag-check in na rin kami dito in a while.
Hello guys. Watch them. Score. To the screen, to the ring, to the pen, to the king. With the crowd of something. I will jump out with a ring. See my lady, see my skin, see my heart. Die ceiling. Hey guys. What's this, Tito Greg? Hello guys. Tito Greg.
Wait lang.
What's that thingy, the soft thingy in the Hello guys, we are in the airport. Yeah. We're gonna check in. I'm waiting for my mommy and Papa. Yeah. Because they are having traffic in the parking. Why are you doing this to me? Why? So let's go. Ooh. So this is basically our surroundings.
For your mommy and daddy.
Tita, say hello.
Hello. And then?
Tita Greg is having trouble.
I'm in trouble. What am I in trouble? This is not trouble.
You are in trouble.
I'm just forgetting something.
Yeah, you are forgetting your phone. You're forgetting your phone.
Oh, happy.
This is so happy. Drama.
Because drama is good for the vlog.
Drama is good.
For the vlog.
Save your drama for your mama.
Nakapag-check-in na po kami. Ayan na rin si Ate and si Kuya. Dali na. We're going inside na.
Yeah.
To sleep.
Yes, to sleep.
Nga po, si Ma'am Sir nag-lounge. ang service crew po dito lang sa food park. Di ba, Tita Mado? At sabi ni Sir, KFC lang daw kainin. Grabe naman si Sir, di ba pwedeng Fridays? So ayan, nandito kami sa food park guys. Ayan, look. Food park. Service crew, magsaw-saw na tabi ng kape. How about you? What are you eating, Nina?
May
Burger.
design
Oh, wow.
Because
So ito guys, we're just having burger. Grabe si Ted. As usual. Tatlong burger na naman. Tatlong burger ang kinain. Time check, it's only 4:30 in the morning guys. Nagbe-burger na po tayo. Opo. Si Simon, walang gana kasi antok. So ayan guys, punta kami sa boarding gate. Tapos na kami mag-breakfast dun sa food park. Ayan na. Pupunta kami sa gate E. Welcome to Baguio! Yay! So we're here now guys. Time check. It's 9:20 na pala. 9:20 in the morning. And papunta na kami sa Visa. Yeah, you know, hi, ang Honor family. Honor family. Hi. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Simon. So ito guys, nasundo na kami na aming driver. Welcome Honor family to Baku. Dati Honor Service Crew sa Armenia. So ayun guys, dito na rin kami nagpapalit dito sa Azarcell. Nagpapalit kami dito ng USD at bumili rin kami ng SIM card. And kung magkano, ayun nakita nyo naman sa previous video. At dito na rin kami nagpapalit ng dollars. Ang dollars guys is 1.68 ang manat. At meron din dito mga grocery na kung pwede tayo bumili ng mga snacks habang sa daan and all. Alright guys, dito na kami sa restaurant. First restaurant, Inda. Alaikum salam. Dito kami mag-early lunch. Ayun na po sila. Let's go. Ang pa-red carpet ni Mayor, pina-ready na po. Okay, welcome. Welcome po. So, eto na yung menu nila dito guys. Ayan. Ang dami nilang options dito.
Sugar.
Wow! Why so much sugar?
Sugar.
Oh. Yan.
Pagana. Oh my God, my phone. No.
Yes, Tito.
Baku. Welcome to Baku. Special salata. Azerbaijan. Preta. Special.
Wow,
Azerbaijan. Thank you. Excuse me. Bravo.
Yay!
Nice camera.
Kebab.
Kasi nakulo ka na in order. Complimentary fruits. Andito na kami guys sa Guba. Ayan. Let's go. Lamig. Hindi na yun. At ngayon naman guys, tumigil kami dito sa isang lamig na. Hindi pa po ready yung outfit ko. Uy, may snowman na maliit. Look oh. Little snowman. Pero sisipain kita. Joke lang. At ito po ang flag ng Azerbaijan. Nasa Kusar na po kami. Malapit na po kami doon sa pagsistayan namin na Kusar Deluxe Park. Di ready pa ang outfit ko. Pang city lang outfit ko. Ay. Nandito kami sa Deluxe Park Resort. So ayun guys, mag-check-in lang kami sa Ate Sara. Punta kami dito sa reception area nila. Kung anong chalet kami. Wow, warm. Check-in lang kami dito guys. Time check, it's already 4:20 in the afternoon. Hi guys, nandito na kami sa aming chalet. Ito yung aming magiging chalet for tonight. This is a 4-bedroom chalet guys. Actually, na free upgrade kami. Ang booking talaga lang namin is 3-bedroom. Ngayon na-upgrade kami into 4-bedroom at dalawa na siyang floor. Ayan, nice. Ang dito. Let's open it.
One more. Yay! Good job, Santino.
Okay, light. For the lights. Ooh, nice. This is the first room. And washroom, shower, and the second room.
I want the room downstairs.
Okay, no. That's good. Okay, come up onto the second room. This is your room. This is my room. Oh, balcony. Thank you, Said. And the balcony. Woo! Nice. Let's go. Balcony.
5 rooms.
5 rooms?
Oh, ito pa.
It's 5 rooms.
I got 4
And there's one more here. And there's the bathroom. Yeah, very nice. So ayun, nakapili na kami ng mga room guys. At bibigyan kayo ng room tour. So ito yung room ko. Ayan, single bed. May side table dito. At may bintana ako doon. May bintana ako doon. May bintana ako doon. Gusto mo yun? Ang daming bintana. But I think this is blackout. Yes, I think this is blackout. Perfect naman. And may pa-heater of course. At meron dito pa-cabinet for my stuff. Ang masaya dito is ako lang mag-isa. Very nice. May kanya-kanya silang room actually. Tara, puntahan din natin sila. Ang kinakuya. At Sarah. Ayan. Yan. It's a matter. Oh! May burlesque! Show me your room. Give me a room tour. Dali. So this is their room. Wow. Are you sure you'll be sleeping here?
Yes.
Okay. Final answer?
Yes.
Okay. Wow. They also have a window here with a nice view. Wow. And say hi.
Next to the door. Except for this.
Oh, ano ba yan? PG. At ito naman ang room ni Tepi. Actually, parang ito yung masters na nasa taas. Oh, king size bed. Actually, not king size. It's just queen. Ayan. At may pa-camera din dito sa Tepi. Cabinet. At may mga pa-side table. Yung maganda siya doon na window. At ito yung AC, heater. At si Tepi ang may bonggang view. Kasi guys, meron siyang pa-balcony. O, taray. Look at the view. Wow. It's all white. Covered na siya ng snow, guys. At yung room ni Tita Mado. Show me your room, Tita Mado.
Okay.
Oh, give me a room tour.
So cute.
So cute.
Open. Ta-da!
And then lie down.
Welcome to my room. Woo!
Ay, wala kang cabinet na sa luwas. O, di na.
Yaw dyan sa luwas.
Yes. This is the room ni Tita Mado. At least my window. Ay, di. Ano mo muna ini? At least my window. Oh.
Yes.
Wow.
I think you can open this.
Yes.
Ano?
No.
Hi.
So, nandito kami sa game zone dito sa resort.
Very private.
Yes. We rented the whole place, right?
Yeah.
So we'll be playing bowling. Pero hindi siya free, guys. Hindi siya free. How much is it? 10? 10 manat each. How many games?
1 game for each of us.
Ah, okay. So yun yung bowling. Meron dito mga pa-arcade. Merong billiards. Merong table tennis doon. Ay. Kanal. That's how
Sarap pa! That's out.
yes, that's our final score. I won. Yes. So ito nga yung spa nila. Galing pa lang kami dyan sa loob. Nandiyan din yung entertainment. Ayan, may pa-pool dito at may nandito rin yung pool, sauna, Turkish bath at meron dito